Finding your ancestors and growing your family tree can be tough and, well, costly sometimes, right? But I want to share with you 5 websites that professional genealogists use routinely in their research, and better yet, they're free. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Lisa, and if you are brand new here, this channel focuses on helping you find your ancestors, grow your family tree, and not get overwhelmed in the process. So if that sounds like your cup of tea, you're in the right place. Okay, so let's get started. I want to share with you these 5 websites that professional genealogists use routinely, and best of all, they're free. The Internet Archive is a nonprofit digital library offering free books. Now, I personally have found a number of family histories. I have found old city directories. I have found family papers, and I have even found old family photo and scrapbooks on the Internet Archive. It is definitely one that you want to add to your list to routinely check for your ancestors' records. Number 2, this is more of a group of websites, and this would be the special collections at university libraries. Now, many of them have digitized parts of their collection, and they are continuing to grow those digital collections online even now. While you may be unsure about how to search through special collections at university libraries, the search is worth the effort. Many of the universities have special collections or parts of their collection already digitized online. And if you're unsure of how to find what you're looking for, or if the university actually even has a collection that pertains to your research, I would encourage you to connect with one of their reference librarians. Use the live chat feature on the main page of the university library's website. That allows you to instant message the librarian, and they can help you with any questions that you might have. They can help you perhaps conduct a search. They can help you find a relevant collection you may not have thought of. And then, of course, if the collection that you want to view is not currently digitized, they can help you with options for actually viewing or searching a specific collection. So make friends with that librarian and get comfortable searching special collections at university libraries. Now, number 3 would be the digital collections at the state archives. Most state archives have a digital collection online. So they have some of their collections already digitized, and many are actually growing those digitized collections online. The amount of information or the number of collections that is digitized on a specific state archives website will vary from state to state, obviously. Professional genealogists always make sure they review what that state archives has online. This does a number of things. Number 1, it can actually eliminate the need to make that visit to the state archives. So you can save time and money by not even having to make an on-site visit when the record has been digitized and is freely available on their digital collections. The other cost-saving reason to actually review those digital collections online before you go make an on-site search day is the fact that you can make better use of your time at the archives to research non-digitized records. You can be more productive, and so you save time and money on that end of your research. You do not need to research for records that are already freely available online. You can put that effort into researching records that have not been digitized. Number 4, the digital collections at the Library of Congress. I think we as researchers sometimes overlook using the Library of Congress's digital collections because, well, it's quite large, it can feel overwhelming, and we're not necessarily sure of what we can find. But we can't let that be an excuse. We need to learn what they have and how we can use it. On their digital collections, we can find things such as the Sanborn maps, those fire insurance maps. We can find oral histories to learn more about our ancestors and their time periods. And we can find things such as family papers, just to name a few. So I encourage you, spend some time just perusing the Library of Congress's digital collections. See what they have. Get to know that website so that in the future, as you research, you'll feel more comfortable looking for information there to help find those ancestors. Now, number 5 is Google. While it might seem a bit obvious, don't overlook a good Google search. Use Google to search for things such as the histories of the locations where your ancestors lived, migration patterns your ancestor may have taken, and the local repositories where you might do further research. You can even Google your ancestor's name and or their surname and learn more perhaps about the family if you get lucky. So don't overlook a good old-fashioned Google search. Before we go on to number 6, our bonus site, if you enjoy exploring free resources for your genealogy research as much as I do, be sure and hit that subscribe button in the lower right-hand corner. Number 6, here's your bonus, guys. The Register of Deeds offices at the county level. A growing number of Register of Deeds offices are making their land records available to view for free on their websites. Now, these will vary from county to county, whether they participate or not, as well as the time periods that might be covered. But let me give you an example. In Wake County, North Carolina, we can access the Register of Deeds land records all the way back to 1785. How cool is that, right? So check for the area where your ancestors live to see if the Register of Deeds has their land records available for you to research for free from home. If you want to find out more free resources and websites to use in your genealogy research, check out those videos that I picked out especially for you on the screen now.